Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is April, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all this burnt orange eyeshadow look. It's really simple and easy, and like all my other makeup looks, and it's a baddie on a budget type of makeup palette. So if you wanna see how I got this look, please stay tuned. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera because I should be having a eyebrow tutorial coming soon. So next I'm just gonna start with my e.l.f. matte putty primer, and I'm gonna start with my e.l.f. poreless putty primer. When I say these is bomb, sis, go get you some. Walmart, Target, and it's cheap and it's bomb. So first, next I'm gonna grab my LA Pro Girl concealer and toffee, and I'm gonna use that as my eyeshadow primer. Okay, so I already did this eye off camera, but I'm gonna show you how to do this eye. So I'm starting off with the NK makeup palette. Got it from Beauty Supply Store. They have like a bunch of other ones. This one is called Under the Sea. So I'm gonna start off with this orange color up here, and I'm gonna just use a little fluffy studio brush. And then on top of that, I'm gonna grab this burnt orange color right here. And if I look right here, it's because I can see myself. And then I'm gonna use my Morphe M4 33 brush. And then I'm gonna take my black eyeliner and make a wing line like I did here. Mind you, I'm not too good with these, and I don't really do these. You could just leave it a naked eye like this. That's still cute, but I was like, let me do a wing because I never do a wing. So we're gonna get into this wing. And another reason why I don't do this is because I don't have a steady hand whatsoever. So these are really hard for me because I don't have a steady hand. And then that's it. One is a little thicker than the other, but at this point, it's okay. It's all right. It's not that big of a difference to me. So next, I'm gonna take these lashes, and I'm gonna apply glue to them, and then while they're getting tacky, I'm gonna apply mascara to my real eyelashes. by Maybelline. I'm pretty sure everybody has seen this before. So I just take that and apply it to my lashes. And then I go in with my They're Real mascara and I just add that on top of it. My lashes are getting tacky. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my MAC Studio Fix Plus, and I'm the color NC50. So I'm gonna go in with that, and I'm gonna use a little flat hair brush and apply it that way. My God. Somewhat sticks to them, I try to like give it like a little second to get more matte, and then I'm gonna keep sticking them together. So while that's doing that, I'm gonna take my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Toast, and I'm gonna take my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color, I mean, this is Toffee and this is Toast, girl, what? And I'm gonna highlight. And then back with my handy girl lash trying to attack me, but I'm gonna go back in with my handy dandy beauty blender, and I'm gonna blend. And I really forgot that I even had a wing liner, and I'm taking it away with the concealer. So I'm gonna go back and like touch it up more. So yeah. So now since I blend it out, I'm gonna take my Airspun loose face powder and just a little. So I'm gonna just wipe it off. I'll literally just put it on there and then wipe it off. Infallible Pro Matte face powder, and I just put this all over my face. With my True Complexion contour palette, and I'm gonna contour. It's a double chin for me. I can't. Okay, but I'm gonna use the contour one, and I'm gonna use my Red Techniques contouring brush. I try not to get too much on here because it be holding. Just a smidgy. Just a smidgy. A little makeup wipe and clean off my nose ring. Then, like I said, I'm gonna go back in with my black eyeliner and touch up my wing. I'm gonna use my black Radiance Matte setting spray, and I'm gonna spray this off over my face. I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild multi-stick color Chocolate Cheat Day. This is like what it looks like, and I'm gonna outline my lips with it. I'm gonna use the Malani in the color Stunning, and I'm gonna put that right in the middle of my lips, right here. I'm gonna just keep trying to blend those. That's cute. And then on top of that, I'm gonna just use some Beauty Supply Mango Butter Gloss. With a regular black eyeliner, and I'm gonna line my bottom lash. I really wasn't at first, but I just realized I didn't. And I almost forgot to add highlight. Girl, you can't even know without no highlight. I mean, you can. This is a cute look without highlight. But I gotta give it to the girls. So you guys, this is my final look. Cute for fall. You know, you can go on a date night. You can go during the day because, you know, fall time is like cool and, you know. So this is the final look. If you like it, please like, comment, subscribe, share it to everybody. Let them come see this video so they can do this makeup look, because that palette is literally like $3, $5 at the most. You can go get it from the beauty supply, sis. Baddie on a budget. Trying to tell you. So thank you guys for watching so much.